Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to use NotebookLM to help you write a book. All right, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to Google. In the search bar, type NotebookLM and press enter. Click on the official NotebookLM website, then select Try NotebookLM to access the main interface. Once inside, click on Create New to start a fresh project. Next, upload your sources by adding notes or a document that includes your book title, target audience, main idea, and word count goal. This builds a strong foundation for your project. Now, create a short project overview using a few bullet points to define your book's purpose and direction. Then, organize your research by asking NotebookLM to summarize your uploaded sources. After that, generate a book outline with around 10 to 15 chapters. Expand each chapter by adding sections to create a detailed structure for writing. Use this framework to guide your writing process and refine your content step by step. So that's basically how you can use NotebookLM to help you write a book. That's it for this video. Thanks.